Hello everyone, it's Donna from DW Garden. Welcome to my channel. I'm not gonna tell no lie. On see this meal I just prepare this Escovitch chicken. It's something I put on the onion and the thing on the chicken. You know, say I just feel like frying the chicken and doing the Escovitch and just get up and decide so I'm gonna video it. It wasn't planned for, honestly. Believe you me. So please accept my apologies. I did not get to show you the chicken, the size of the chicken, when I cut it up and when I wash with my lemon. But sit back and relax. I'll show you how I do the escovitch from the frying to preparing all the vegetables that goes into the escovitch. So I hope you enjoy, okay? Thank you so much. The process of deep frying the chicken, I've added a generous amount of vegetable oil. So I'm waiting for it to be well heated. You can see that's really hot. It goes in. Goes in. Put another leg in there. So I'm deep frying the chicken, and what I'm going to do now is to cover the pot. So that's covered so the chicken can steam and fry at the same time. Just having a quick look at the chicken. So now it's time. Let's have a look at our chicken. At some stage you have to take the cover off and have a look. And you can see that they're frying nicely. So you turn them around. And then you use your fork to kind of press to make sure that it's fried right throughout. It's not just fry on the outside. It's fried right throughout. You need it to be well fried. When it reaches this stage, you will know exactly when to take the cover off the pot. So, and then it will just leave it and let it continue frying dry and crispy. I will put a list of the powdered season that I use to season this chicken in the description box. So I would have used the paprika, the garlic powder, onion powder, pimento powder, to name a few, to make it really tasty. I will give it a few more minutes and we should have the first batch of the chicken properly fried. These are the last pieces, like the wing and the back, because I like the bones. They're looking good, really good. So just turn them over. I love the wing. What do you like? Oh, this is good. Those are my chicken pieces, the first lot. Right, so my chicken is sitting ready. I'm going to escovitch my chicken. It says chicken escovitch. So I'm going to make the sauce now and I'm going to put it over the chicken. It's going to look beautiful. For the escovitch sauce, I will definitely need my scotch bonnet peppers. Yes, you can see them there. Carrots, sweet pepper, you may call it bell peppers, onions, pimento seed, garlic, carrot cut up in nice strips, colorful peppers that will make the sauce look really nice and inviting. In the oil, there's garlic and pimento seed. Some more carrots in here. Some onions, onion rings. Just a quick sauce I'm making. Okay. Stir that down a bit. Add a little bit of Maggi to it, just to kind of give it some flavor. I'm going in with my vinegar. With the vinegar, I allow it to reduce down a little bit. I leave the pot open so it can evaporate some of the vinegar, so it's not that sharp. Isn't that looking beautiful? You can hear it bubbling away. The sauce looks really nice. Just a natural color from the peppers, the scotch bonnet and the bell peppers and the onions, and the vinegar and the garlic will give it that nice taste when it's added to the chicken. This is Kentucky Fried Escovitch Chicken. Kentucky Fried styled Escovitch Chicken. You have to do that. So it's lovely. It smells, the kitchen is smelling so beautiful at the moment. Look at the flavor, look at the aroma, look at the steam coming out of the pot. It tells you that it's reducing down and it's soon time for me to add it to the chicken. I can't wait to, to get my mouth into this sumptuous, delicious fried chicken, Escovitch fried chicken, done in a nice flour batter, deep fry to get the color as well. So check the description box. I'll give you all the details so you can achieve the same color and flavor of this chicken. It's lovely. Just stir it a bit as well. Okay, so now I'm adding the peppers and the onions on the chicken. So there goes the onions, just to garnish. So that looks really good. So that makes the chicken looks really nice. So this is my Escovitch chicken. Makes it looks really good. And I like my onion rings big. If you notice, I got quite a few big onion rings. So there you have it, my Escovitch Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yes, I deep fried the chicken so it tastes like the Kentucky. You know what I mean? I didn't want the chicken to be soggy, so I use a little bit of the sauce to give it that gloss on it so it looks really nice yet crispy and tasty. Please hit that subscribe, that like, that share and comment. Let your friends know about this Escovitch fried chicken.